Sheree for Just Nailed It, and welcome to my channel. Today we have got a small haul from Charlie's Nail Art. This came in the mail yesterday. I filmed this like 2 days early, so it came on Tuesday. This will go up Thursday the 4th. Anyways, this is my goodies from Charlie's as well as my PR. And my note from Charlie says, "Hello Sheree, thank you for your order. We hope you are happy with all your nail art goodies. We look forward to seeing all your fab nail art designs. Charlie." Love, love, love the notes. They're very, I just love them. We'll do the PR last. I've got, I ordered a lot of Christmas nail stickers. So I'm going to go that route a lot in some of my designs. Or try to. See what I can come up with. I've got 3 glitters. I'm missing some. Here we go. The first one is called Christmas Twinkle. And I think this is really, really, really super pretty. Look at all those colors in there. Christmas colors. I'm going to put my code across the bottom of the screen so you can order yours and get 10% off. This one is called Tinseltown. It's like a purple and gold color, and I just love it. You can see some shards in there, some strands. I love the fine mixes. I'm not into the chunky glitter myself. I'll use it from time to time, but I'm really not into it. I like the fine mixes better. This one is called Winter Chill. I think this is really super cute. It's got some snowflakes inside. This would be beautiful encapsulated. Totally beautiful. Yes, I still have my Halloween manicure on. I'm not taking it off yet. So those are our glitters. I bought 2 different charms, which are snowflakes. I think these are super, super pretty. We got those. I got 3 foils. This first one is called Santa's Workshop. It is okay. Santa's Workshop. Hold it the right way. Oh, that is really super pretty. Super pretty. Trying to roll it back up. Stickers out of the way. We'll go over those last. That one is called Santa's Workshop. This one is called Night Before Christmas. Yeah, you can't even get the package. I couldn't get in. Sometimes long nails send you. There we go. Whoops. This one again is called Night Before Christmas. We've got Santa Claus, we've got the ornaments, we've got the reindeer, where it says Merry Christmas as well. We got some presents and some ornaments, snowflakes, candy canes right here, Christmas trees. This is another beautiful foil. As of when I'm filming this, I've been doing too much foils in my manicures the last week or so. I've been having a really hard time with them since the weather's changed. I keep my room on the cold side. Oh shoot. I keep my room, oh man. I keep my room on the cold side. And with it getting colder outside, it's been like down in the 30s at night and like the 40s during the day here in Michigan, southeastern Michigan. So my foil application has not been working right. They're not coming out. I'm not getting full coverage. I'm using the same method, the same foil glue. It's just not working out for me. So we're trying to stay away from the foils. Last but not least is Christmas sweaters, which I may need this for a collaboration. We're just gonna find the scissors. I cut this puppy open. We're not saving those. Oh, this is going to be really pretty. Look at this. This is really pretty. So I'm not even going to open it. Oh, we can see how beautiful that is going to be on some white nails. Beautiful. Okay, now we're ready to get into the stickers. We have got Santa Claus, some snowflakes, ribbons, different kind of Santa Clauses. This one's Jolly and Merry Christmas, and it's got some reindeer, Christmas trees, some mittens, presents. This one says gift, Merry Christmas, Jolly. Love that one. These are some black and whites. I think that is really super cute. Really cute these are. And again, these are from Charlie's Nail Art Supply in the UK, and the link is charliesnailart.co.uk. My code is NailedIt10, all in caps. I can't wait to use this one. I think this is so pretty. I just love this one here. Love it, love it, love it. Last but not least, we have got some, oh, wait a minute, those are elves, I believe, some polar bears, some reindeers, a penguin, Christmas tree, a hat, a winter hat. Oh, I love this. Love it, love it, love it. So these are my order, or all this is my order. So, fix that. I'm going to show you my PR items now. We have got a glitter mix. This is a fine red glitter mix with some snowflakes called Festive Flurry. That is too cool. It's almost like Winter Chill, but the red version. That is too cool. We have got some, these would be metal slices, and they are snowflakes. Whoops, sorry about that. We've got some other Christmas stickers. Oh, I don't have these ones. You can order these all on Charlie's Nail Art. And we have got 2 foils. This one here is called Jingle All the Way. And this was the sample, so you don't get the full length like you do on the spool. Whoopsie. Christmas Cocoa. Oh, that is too cute. Too cute. I love this one. It'd be nice if that one turned. It'd be nice if they all turn out when I use them. Here's my Charlie's Nail Art haul for today. My Christmas haul. I love everything. I think these are great. Whoops. Whoopsie. Just trying to show everything off here a little bit. So I'll head over to Charlie's for your nail art needs. They have got a lot of fall and Thanksgiving. As you can see, an abundance of Christmas nail art. I'm sure we'll be having stuff coming up maybe for New Year's. I don't know yet. But head over there, check out Charlie's Nail Art, co.uk. That is the full link. Just type that into your browser. At checkout, use my code, NailedIt10, all caps. Save yourself 10% off your bill. That'll help you out as well as it'll help me as an ambassador. So that is all for today. Whoopsie. Knocking things over. Oh my goodness. It fell somewhere. Anyways. This is the end. Hope you enjoyed. Head over to Charlie's. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.